The hormone balancing, yes, it is important, and it makes a big difference in how well people function. But the senescent cell therapies that we do that almost no one else in the Seattle area does, senescent cells are cells that build up as we age, that are cells that are often referred to as the zombie cells,
Yes.
because they are cells that have reached the end of their productive lifespan, but instead of dying and getting out of the way, they actually change their form and function, and they start kicking out cytokines and peptides and enzymes that inhibit proper functioning of your healthy cells. They prevent you from healing and repairing the damage of day-to-day living. And so if you really want to do well, we have to get rid of your senescent cells. We need to lower that level to a more youthful range. And we can do that. We have therapies now that will decrease the senescent cell load in your body and allow your healthy cells to heal and repair and make you the best you can be. We have medications we use now that have been shown to increase lifespan and health span by 15 to 36%. This can add an extra 10 to 20 years to your vital, healthy function in life to be able to get out and do things. For me, I take all of those therapies because I'm enjoying what I do. I'm 77. I want to keep doing it. I don't want to sit back and vegetate and fall apart. You know? So I keep my senescent cells suppressed. I'm using rapamycin. I'm using metformin. I'm using the medications, the so-called longevity or anti-aging drugs, in addition to maintaining the levels of the hormones in my brain and my body at the typical range of a 25 to 30-year-old man. There's a real difference in living a long time and getting old.
Yes, and living well. Yeah.
Some people are old in their 40s, okay? Some people are still vital in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s, and I want to still be vital in my 80s and 90s and maybe my 110s. Who knows?
Yes.
You know, I don't know what the technology is going to bring us over the next couple of decades, but I do know that I'm going to stay right up on the cutting edge of that technology. And every time something new comes out that's going to give me an edge over my colleagues, I'm going to use it. And I use it for me, and we use it for our patients.